Hello guys.
So today we are going to start addition, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you ready now?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so now I want you to add 5 plus 1. You can take these blocks or you can use these color pencils and
Okay.
add it up and make 6, okay?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, now you can add one more.
Okay.
Add one more block. Okay. So now how much you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Very good. So what is the answer for 5 plus 1?
6.
6. Very good. Well done. Okay. So I'll be marking correct. Okay.
Okay.
So can we move to another one?
Yeah, you
Okay.
can move to another.
So now which you are going to use the pencils or the blocks? So you are going to make 4 and then 4 plus 2. You're going to add 4 plus 2. So you're going to take the pencils or the blocks?
The blocks.
Okay, you'll be using the blocks again. Okay, then you can make 4 plus 2. Start now.
1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4,
Very good.
5.
Don't put it here. These are 4 blocks, okay? So enough. 4 is enough because it's written here 4. So we need 2 more blocks. So can you take 2 more blocks and put it here? Place it here.
Okay.
Yes, very good. Now you can add all those all together. What is 4 plus 2?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. So
It's
what
also
answer did you
6.
get? It's also 6. Same, okay? So I'll mark it correct for you. Very good, Aiza. Okay, so here we go to the next one. You can it is 3 plus 3. So are you going to use the blocks again or with the pencils? What are you going to use? Okay, you want to do with the pencils. So how many pencils you will take first?
3.
3. Okay, you can put the pencils here. Very good. Good job. Okay, now how much more pencils you want? Because it's 3 plus 3. So we're going to need 3 more pencils, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now you can add up and check what is the answer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good.
It's also 6.
It's also 6. So we are adding up and getting 6 again and again, right?
Yeah.
But these are all different numbers, but the same answer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll move to the next one. Okay, so how much pencils do we need now? 1. 1 plus 5.
1.
Yes. Put 1 here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so where are you going to put? Yeah, very good. Well done, Aiza. Okay, so now you're going to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How much
It's
did you get?
also 6.
It's also 6. Wow. So is it correct? So I'll going to be mark. I'll mark correct. Okay. Okay now. So we'll move to the next one, right? So what is it? 2 plus 4.
Okay. 2 pencils.
Yeah. Very good.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4
Plus 4
pencils.
here. So can you just add it up?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So
It's also 6.
It's also 6. You're getting 6 again and again. Wow. But different numbers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the last one now. What are you going to use? Are you going to use the pencil or the blocks?
The blocks now.
Okay, you can use the blocks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You have 6 blocks now, right? So what about this one? What's written here?
0.
0. Are you going to use anything here?
No.
No. So what is 6 plus 0?
6.
Yes, very good. So you have done all right. So I've marked all correct. Okay, thank you. And I'll give you a big star for this.